Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we'll be looking at the top MBA colleges that you must apply before the CAT. The CAT 2021 is roughly 2 months away, and while filling the CAT form, an aspirant can apply to all the IIMs. However, aspirants need to apply separately to some of the other top B schools that accept the CAT scores, and also usually the deadline to apply for certain B schools ends before the CAT exam. So candidates should be aware of the application deadlines of all these top MBA colleges so that one doesn't miss out on these deadlines. So in this video, we'll look at the list of top MBA colleges that you should apply before the CAT exams so that you don't miss out on your dream B school admissions. Okay, so firstly, let's start with SPJIMR Mumbai. SPJIN Institute of Management and Research is a top private B school located in Mumbai. And one uniqueness about SPJIMR is that applicants are required to choose their preferred stream of specialization in the application form itself. After you apply, the institute gives out 2 sets of calls. One is the profile based call and the other one is profile cum score based. So the profiles of the candidates are scored and the applicants are sorted into either of these 2 groups. And the applicants who are shortlisted on the basis of their profiles are expected to meet the minimum qualifying scores in at least one of these entrance exams, and those are CAT and the GMAT. So you can take either of these exams, and the cutoff for the profile based call is 85. The overall CAT cutoff is 85 percentile and the sectional cutoff is 75 percentile each for these 3 sections. Or if you are applying through your GMAT score, you must score at least 75 percentile in each of the 2 sections and you must score an 85 percentile overall. Also, work experience is not mandatory to apply for their flagship PGDM program. So the application form of SPJIMR opens on 25th September 2021 and the last day to fill the application is 26th November 2021. Also, after the CAT results are announced, the application window opens again briefly so that the candidates can enter their CAT scores. And the application fee is usually around 1500 rupees. Next, we have Faculty of Management Studies Delhi. So FMS Delhi consistently ranks within the top 5 B schools of the country, and it is one of the most affordable B schools in the country to pursue MBA from. The course fee for 2 years is around 2 lakhs and the weightage for the CAT score in the final selection is around 50%. So your CAT score is given a weightage of 50%. Therefore, a high CAT score boosts your chance of getting a call from FMS. And usually the deadline to apply to FMS is set before the CAT. However, in 2020, the application form of FMS opened in December due to the COVID pandemic. But this year it is expected to release before the CAT and the registration window is not open yet as of today. Usually FMS opens the registration window in the month of October. And once it opens, we will be updating you immediately. The application fees is usually around rupees 1000. Next, we have the Management Development Institute. The MDI has been consistently ranked as one of the top B schools of the country. Located in the NCR region, MDI has established itself as one of the top colleges in India, especially for marketing. The CAT cutoff for MDI usually hovers around 97 percentile and the weightage for the CAT score in the final selection is usually around 60%. So that's a high weightage for your CAT score and therefore a high CAT score boosts your chances of getting a call from MDI. The application form for MDI is expected to release in 1 or 2 weeks and the last day to apply for MDI is usually in the last week of November and the application fees is usually around rupees 3000. Next, we have the Institute of Management Technology Ghaziabad. IMT Ghaziabad is also a reputed B school, especially for marketing. IMT usually closes its application process before the CAT exam. In the past, IMT has opened the registration window after CAT to allow the students who have scored well to apply, but it is advisable to fill the form prior to the CAT to be on the safer side, as there is no guarantee that IMT will reopen its registration window after the CAT. The application fees is usually around 2000 rupees. And apart from these B schools, there are also other good B schools whose applications will usually be released after the CAT exam, usually immediately after the exam, and some of those colleges are the IITs, or we have IMI Delhi and some other good B schools in the Delhi University such as the Delhi School of Economics and so on. And apart from CAT, there are other top B schools that admit candidates through other MBA entrance exams such as ZAT. and this is for XLRI Jamshedpur. So XLRI Jamshedpur is one of the top B schools in the country, and it consistently ranks among the top B schools of India. And some other top B schools are SIBM Pune, which accepts the SNAP scores. Then we have the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, which admits the candidates through the IAFT entrance exam. Then we have the NMIMS, which accepts the candidates through NMAT, and so on. And the application window for most of these exams are open now, so candidates are advised to register for these exams as soon as possible. You can also join our Telegram group. So you can join our Telegram group for MBA aspirants for regular exam updates and MBA college updates. So we will be updating you as soon as the forms for the top B schools are released in the group, so that you don't miss out on the deadlines for these colleges. Thank you so much.